Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a secret recipe of dalgosht which you may not know. While making dalgosht, if you add this hidden secret in the dalgosht, everybody will become fan of your dalgosht. But if you follow my instruction step by step. So let's get started. In a pressure cooker, take 1 cup of chana dal, that is split chickpeas, half cup of masoor dal, that is red lentils, and 1/3 cup of tur dal, that is pigeon peas. Wash it nicely and soak it into the water for at least 30 minutes. To cook all this lentil, take adequate water as needed. 1 medium-sized onion, roughly cut and add into it. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, salt as per taste. Add half tablespoon oil. Cover the lid and cook it. Well, this is on to a cook till it's well done. Generally it takes 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, you could do some other preparations. Take oil in a vessel. Allow it to heat. When oil heats up, add few whole spices like cinnamon stick, bay leaves, black pepper, green cardamom, etc. Add 1 thick green chili. It gives a nice aroma when it goes into a hot oil. Then add 3 medium-sized sliced onion. While it's getting done, add little salt to it and cover it for some time so it will help to caramelize faster. Keep stirring constantly so that it does not burn. Don't turn it into a dark brown color, only this type of change we need. Now add 3 medium size of tomatoes and allow it to soften. After that I am going to add into it nearly 750 grams of mutton. Then add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Then add some powdered masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt as per taste, pinch of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon amchur powder and little bit of coriander leaves. Saute it well and cook it for about 20 minutes on a medium flame. Then add 4 to 5 green chilies, or you could add according to your taste. Then cover it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on a slow flame. Now here it comes the secret of a dalgosht which increases its taste 4 times. Take 1 piece of cotton cloth, add into it a handful of coriander and a handful of fresh curry leaves. Tie it and make one potli of it. When you see the masala is well cooked and you can see oil on the top of its surface, add this potli to this. Now add 1 cup of water or as needed, but don't add too much water into it. Allow it to cook to its own water which release from tomatoes and onions. Then cover it and cook it onto a low flame. When the meat would become 90% cooked, add bottle gourd into it and cover it and allow it to cook. When meat will become tender, then add dal to it, mix it well and make sure it nicely bubbles. Allow it to nicely bubble at least for 5 minutes. And the most important thing, without fail, don't forget to remove the secret putli out of it. Now squeeze 1 lemon juice into it and at the end give it a nice tadka to it. Add a oil into a pan, allow it to heat up, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin, add few curry leaves, then add green chilies, thick green chilies, 1 dry red chili and also a button red chili. Chilies you could add according to your taste. It's not compulsory to add all of this. Add garlic to it. When aroma starts coming, add this into a dalgosht. And here the dalgosht is ready. And there you have a luscious dalgosht. Really do try it and comment below. Thank you for watching.